Thank you very much, my dear students, for joining today's class. I am hoping that all of you are very happy to join the class and very safe at your home. As you know, dear students, our present country is running through a great problem. Anyway, so I will advise you have to be safe and you have to be much conscious about the present fact. Today I will discuss about changing sentence. We know that according to the meaning, sentence types of 5: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and the rest is operative sentence. Today I will discuss about assertive sentence. We know that also assertive sentence types of 2: affirmative to negative. Today I will discuss. You can see the board, dear students, affirmative into negative. Today I will discuss before you affirmative into negative. Let us see first example. Affirmative sentence. This is, you can see, dear students, only God can save us from coronavirus. Only God can save us from coronavirus. Now we have to make it in negative. This is the answer. Negative, none but God can save us from coronavirus. Dear students, you have to remember, when in the affirmative sentence you find only, then you have to change it into none but. Understand? When only indicates person, then we have to change it from only into none but. For your helping, I can underline this word. This is the first example. Number 2, we can see you must each day. You must take physical exercise each day. You must take physical exercise each day. Now, negative sentence, you must, when you find in the affirmative sentence, dear students, must, we have to change it into cannot but. Cannot but take physical exercise each day. You cannot, but we can also, dear students, change it must into cannot help, or we can see another answer. You can't help taking physical exercise each day. This is another answer, dear students, or you can't help taking physical exercise each day. When we will place can't help instead of can't, but we have to verb ing form. Let us see, the students, another example. Number 3, by improving confidence you can do better. Without improving confidence you can't do better. Dear students, you can see in the affirmative sentence, by improving confidence you can do better, and in the negative sentence, without improving confidence you can't do better. So, dear students, you can see the board, we have changed by instead of by without, and then auxiliary verb not in the negative sense. Number 4, the lady to measure to buy dictionary. The lady is to measure to buy a dictionary. This is the affirmative sentence. Now, negative sentence, the lady is so measure that she can't buy a dictionary. You can see, dear students, in the affirmative sentence, the lady is to measure to buy a dictionary. The negative sentence, the lady is so, we have changed to instead of to so, then adjective form, adjective retained, then to instead of to we have used that, then lady pronoun, she. Then, dear students, as the auxiliary verb is present tense, so we have need here can't. If the auxiliary verb was past tense, was or were, then we should place here couldn't. Okay? As the auxiliary verb is present form, so we need here to place can't by a dictionary. Number 5. We had to take turn steps against any virus. This is the question, dear students. We have to take turn steps against any virus. Now, the answer, we had to change into couldn't but take turn steps against any virus. Now, dear students, meanwhile we have completed some rules from affirmative into negative. I will say, my dear students, this if you practice by following these 5 rules, I can assure you, you can do better in the changing sentence. You will get a few marks in the changing sentence of our grammatical items. As you know, my dear students, this is my advice to everyone. You have no need at the present time going out. If you have no emergency work, I will say this, dear students, you always stay your home and you always try to keep yourself neat and clean, and you have to be much careful about the present condition of the country. Thank you all. Take care yourself.